Finally, I get the...
It was no Gemini, somebody of my own kind. Never tried to waste your time, always tried to hit your line. You left me, thought I was fine, but really I was hurt inside. I can't even go to sleep, you don't even notice me. Sipping on that Hennessy, thought that we was meant to be. Missing all the memories when you...
What's up, poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Dayana back with another YouTube video, and as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be turning a $12 oversized shirt into a sleeveless bodycon dress. The shirt is only $12. I got it from Shein. If you watch my Shein try haul, you know I was like, I'm gonna find a way to turn it into something nice. This is my first time turning a oversized shirt into a dress, so I'm gonna get to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See about the hashtag DayanaFontus. If not with the gang, you can hang. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so this just looks stupid. It stops literally above my knee. It stops above my knee, as y'all can see. I could bring this to the front like this. I'll fix the back like this. Alright, so I'm on the voiceover, and to do this strapless dress, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off the sleeves, whether it's long sleeves or whether it's short sleeves. Just cut it off. Alright, so now that one sleeve is done, we're gonna cut off the other sleeve. And the scissor was giving me trouble because like it wasn't sharp, but once I finally got both of them off, I was watching the tutorial that I was looking at to do this. So I'm gonna leave her video in the description box because I give credit when credit is due, and that's on period. So the next step is to basically cut off the top part of the shirt, like the sleeve part, you know, where the arms, you know, I see it, but just cut that off, and then after that we're gonna be on to the next step. Right, so the next step is to find a romper, a dress, or a shirt, whichever one you prefer, and to just use it as like an item to measure the shirt so it could fit you like how you would want it to fit. She had also used a romper. I decided to use a romper because if you watch my chick who's clothing haul, you know I like how this romper fits me. So I just put the romper on top of the dress, like right in the middle, and then I started cutting off the excess, but I didn't cut it all the way, but I cut it very closely because y'all know I'm small and I want this dress to fit me tight. And as y'all seen in the video, this is like my third scissor because like the first one was not sharp at all, and then the silver scissor, it was sharp, but that scissor was sharper. And look, that's a safety scissor. Like, I don't understand. Alright, so the next step is to take the shirt. Now that it's like two pieces, you're gonna basically flip over both of them and basically have it facing inside out so that you could sew it. So when you sew it and you flip it out when you finish, you don't really see like the whole sewing process on the outside, if that makes sense. So in here, that was my mom that was showing me how to sew because I did not know how to sew. So she was just showing me how to sew, and I recorded it, and then after she showed me how to sew, I just went and sewed it, and it was pretty easy. So she just did one side for me. That's how she taught me how to do it. She showed me how to do one of the sides, and then I went ahead and did like the other side. So I also sewed the part that goes on the boob. I didn't sew it together, but I basically like folded it and sewed it so that it wouldn't be tacky. I just sewed it like together. Like as you can see, I'm showing you guys how I sewed that part. So that part is like the top part where it's like sleeveless. It's like on the boobs. So that's how I did it. That's how I did it, period. Okay, so I had tried it on and it was actually too big. It wasn't like a bodycon dress and I didn't like it. So I went and took some pins and I pinned it on my body, which was a crazy idea. And then I started cutting the dress while it was on me. Like, I don't know who does that, but I did that and it still turned out fine. This is it like when it's open, and then this is it after like I sewed it on again by hand. And yeah, this is how it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you guys would like me to do more of these videos because I really enjoyed filming it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to be part of the hashtag Dayana, because if you're not with the gang, you can't hang, period. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video.
You in the kitchen with the dishes on the counter, you done threw the first lick, and I hit you with a counter switch and hit you on the